How to save any text conversation on iPhone. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. From the list, open the conversation you want to save. Scroll to the part of the chat and hold the message you want to save. Then, tap on More. From here, select all the messages you want to save and then tap on the share icon at the bottom right corner. Select the text from here as shown and then tap on Cut. Now, go back and open up the Notes app. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the new note icon. Over here, type in the title of the new note. And then, paste the text you just copied below. After that, tap on the tick icon at the top right. Following these steps, you can easily save any text conversation on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.